Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to look at bookmarks on X. Okay, so it's very simple. First of all, of course, open X on your phone, and then you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen to open side menu. And here you can see that you have different sections. You want to find section bookmarks. So this is the page that displays every single post that you have ever saved to your bookmarks section. And from here you can scroll through them, and they are organized in chronological order, with the most recently saved at the top. So yeah, that's basically how we can look at your bookmarks on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.